Hello Uganda, hello Busoga. My name is Kasuswa. I am 21 years old. I belong to Busoga clan and I am a student at YMCA Wandegea pursuing a diploma in travel and tourism. By God's grace, I'm the first runners-up Miss Tourism Busoga 2024-2025. Nendo kwebaza isaife baba Shabazinga, William Wilberforce Kadumbula na Diopo Wokuna, ni mama Kadaga, Mami Helen, thank you so much for the opportunity you're giving us the girls. Mwebale ino. Nendo kwebaza abazaire bange, omwami Kategere Edward Anzala, n'omukyala Namusobya Eseza abatyaime magamaga wa Bulungu. Mwebale kunenda, mwebale kunsupportinga. As the first runner-up Miss Tourism Busoga, I'm looking forward to working with PSA clubs in schools to sensitize girls about the dangers of early pregnancy and also to encourage them to abstain from sex. In Busoga, we have many tourist sites. For example, River Nile, Kagul Lock Hill, Busoko Falls, Itanda Falls, and as the first runner-up Miss Tourism Busoga, I'm looking forward to organizing tours so that people can come and tour those tourism sites. So I call upon all the people in Busoga, Ugandans, the world at large, to come and tour Busoga, see the abundance of tourism we have in Busoga, and explore the beauty of Busoga. See the beautiful people like me. Say Shabazinga, Afunvuwe, Eliada Nene.